Box cover, this is Dutterberry and I'm here in Montego Bay and I'm staying at Deja Resorts. Yes, they have been sponsoring my whole entire week while I shall be here taking in all of the fun at Reggae Sumfest 2018. So big up Deja. But today, there's a new segment. It's called Answer This and I'm going to be walking around the town of Mobay asking people this question. If a guy takes a girl out on vacation, is she obligated to give him, some sex while on that trip? So let's hear what the people have to say. So the question is, if a guy carry out a girl on vacation, is she obligated to give him sex during the trip?
Of course it is. The man is spending money.
Exactly. No.
Of course.
Okay.
So you have to touch out your antenna and pick up signal. Don't take the man money and go on a trip. Ray, I lucky you don't lucky.
So that if I'm to you yet somebody carry up on vacation?
Can't happen kind time I go on vacation and me and my husband and me don't know the sex. We do the things
so that have to go on.
So that have to go on.
Okay, makes sense.
That's in the package.
All right, so
that makes it long time.
Alright, so tell people them your name no more and big up where you want big
up. Big up my mother, big up my family, my St. Anne, the all family from Garden Town. And we up a lady say cousin up on the screen. We up we say, big up on yourself Jamaican people. One love.
Alright.
Not really. Not really.
No.
Unless it's a one night stand thing.
We sell for 2 weeks and him fly out on vacation.
You don't have to give it to him. No, she don't have to.
So you don't make a girl like carry out, you carry out the girl for a 3-week vacation in Paris. And she
Maybe when I want something.
but she's not obligated to give
Oh, but she's not obligated. But it put the icing on the cake if that happens.
Yeah.
You see me?
Alright.
Bless up yourself.
Okay, so what's your name?
Tom.
Alright, Tom. First time in Jamaica?
Second.
Oh, second time. Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. Alright, so the question is, if a guy offers to take a woman on vacation, is she obligated to have sex with him while on this trip?
No, I don't think so. I think she should have a choice.
Depends on the relationship they're in. Depends. So if him just a come Jamaica and him feel like say yo, she promise him look a good.
Yeah.
Him deserve look a good. And if him a spending money, I'm carry one of them nice hotel like Half Moon Secret, you know them US kind of.
Good week.
Yes, goods. But knowing me now, I'm not gonna tell away.
If you have sex with him, somebody, of course.
So you say
Yes.
yo, make a carry go Bahamas.
Yes.
So if she says she not giving up, you're cool with that?
Well, you just find a next girl on vacation. What's the other?
Okay, simple like that.
Yeah, I think so. Well, if I'm not gonna do it, I would not go in the first place.
We share in the same room or something. Yeah.
If I wasn't gonna be doing it, I would not go in the first place. So
Yeah, it's in the package.
yeah,
It's in the package.
I'm innocent, but yeah.
If you spend so much money, I expect something for you. Yeah, I expect a little thing.
No, I'm not going to give him no peace.
Why you not going to give him peace? We're going to go on vacation. It's a must.
No, I'm not.
It's a must. Because what's not me anymore go on vacation? He go to spending money on a lot of things.
Exactly.
You see me? So he go need peace.
No, but
I'm
someone can't go Paris.
One piece.
As a farmer, I'm going
That's
to give
why
it.
I'm going to cut with short. That's why I'm going to cut with short because we are be too unfair. You see me? 2 weeks, a little pum no more.
Yeah.
Why?
You go expect it and yeah.
You ever been in a situation there before?
No.
Okay, but if you get in a situation, say you carry out Yanni Curvy Diva and whatever, and did it for the 3 weeks with her, you expect that she must give you a little piece.
Yeah.
Okay, and what you name?
Meek. Hardware.
What you say? You see that? Yanni Curvy Diva, brother, there, I'm going to be him name Hardware. He is waiting for you. WhatsApp him, send him a message, all kind of things. So just run up in our DM after this.
Alright.
No.
Huh? So if the man come and say, I'm going to carry you to Paris for 2 weeks, you and him one in the hotel room, you don't feel like you can give him a little, you're supposed to give him a little something?
Depends.
Depends on what?
I don't know. Depends on the look or if he money enough.
Hello? Hi, what's your name?
Andriana.
Alright, Andriana, the question is, if a guy offers to take a woman on vacation, is she obligated to have sex with him while on this trip?
If she's obligated,
Yeah.
if it's her duty, if she wants to, she can.
So if me did for say, alright, we'll go on vacation next week, we'll go Bahamas, but just me, they will say, you know, I have a little free space, would you wouldn't understand, so you need to give me a little piece during the vacation?
Not necessarily, but I will try to get to know you first.
And then if it all go on good, you might feel sorry for me and give me a little piece of the cherry.
Yeah,
All right.
I mean, it can be as a bonding time. Guess what? I'm not saying she's not supposed to give it to him, but I'm just saying it's not obligated to, because obligation is a strong word, as if she is required to do it because he take her out. So I'm just saying, pretty much, it's not obligated, but she could do it if she wants to.
Well, it depends. I mean, I could make that choice if the time was right.
But that choice has to be on you, right?
Right.
Okay. All right, thank you.
No, she's not.
That ever reach yet? A man ever ask upon and him expect.
Never happened to me before.
So if him ask you out, wouldn't you know, say, oh God, the least I can do, the man say, oh, come Paris?
Not necessarily, no.
Not even a little hug up beside him, that doesn't do.
Hug up is fine. But you
forgot all the way.
All the way is not necessary, no.
No, you take me on vacation. I'm not obligated to giving you anything. I mean,
No, baby, we're just there to enjoy the time.
Five-star restaurant, free food, everything for like 2 weeks. And no look something for run.
No, baby, no, we deserve it.
A black China them. All right.
It can be yes and it can be no.
But you're not obligated.
No.
Okay, I ask somebody over here. So I can ask over here. So. All right, so what name?
Ras Asta Black.
All right, Ras. Oh gosh, oh Jason Pim from long time politics and these things.
Every time.
Oh, Jason man famous. All right, so if you take a woman on vacation, is she obligated to give you some front?
She gonna force me to take it.
Where you say she going what?
Force me to take some.
Oh, so she go and give it to you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, big up yourself.
Okay.
It's not possible because that's the reason of the trip in the first place.
So you say from your invite her for go on vacation with her, she's supposed to know say a little something must go on.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
But if she want, I would.
All right, if you look at it now. A man go time away, spend a lot of money to make sure say you're all right. The man must get some form of compensation.
No. First of all,
The least, you know? Yeah, what a curse.
you were not obligated to send her, and then again, you can't force her to take it. If she don't want to give him nothing, she don't have to give him nothing.
All right, thanks. Bless.
Oh, you mean, man, in a part of vacation, man, in enjoyment, we're going to enjoy ourselves, man. You don't know, and from we're going to enjoy ourselves. For vacation means everything, you know, we're going to have party, we're going to have everything in a one. So when you know that a party, a big deal, everything in a one.
Yes, so if she said no, what up?
Boy, we not force the issue still in, but you don't know that a party thing still in, so boy, I feel a way if you know, even nothing star.
Oh, so you just vex and miserable the whole time?
Miserable the whole time, man. I mean, man, I would yes, man. Then a real thing star, if you know, say you take out a girl from big thing like vacation, hotel accommodation,
yes, man, let them money there.
excitement and all them thing, the beach. And you see all everything I go on nice, sexy body and in a bed and it boy. And not boy that with a outer boy that with a terrible star.
Alright.
A terrible scene that man, you know.
Some.
Man have to answer that question.
Yeah, you know the word.
All men can question. All men can answer
Where you
that.
say you can't carry out for the week and then she does not give for the 2 weeks.
What you would have
for the 2 weeks.
What you would have
do?
What you would think?
For the 2 weeks.
What you would think?
She's ungrateful, she really.
So that means I'm gonna have to answer it for me there. Say answer.
Yeah, question answer.
You don't carry out for the 2 weeks and she does not give nothing and you're cool with
Yeah, me no man, yeah, me no brother.
Yeah.
From carrier out, she know what the settings is.
Yeah.
She know everything.
Yeah.
She not in the bedroom with me naked. Before me even go in. Yeah, man, she'll bring it, man. Let's set the man straight. You see it?
I mean, yeah, you have to give him some my front.
Ah,
Yeah.
right, Jesus.
Yeah.
The man carry got Paris for 3 weeks. At least a little something.
You have to, be serious now. You have to give him some my front. Right?
Once you accept say you'll go with him, you must know say it's a part of the...
Why am I going to book different room and give
Exactly.
when you can't book different room, I order one double bed in a room.
No. After the room, you don't need. Well, that is it, people. That's the end of the first segment. Answer this. We'll talk to some of the people. Them. Some say, yes, you know, I look at something can run. She have to run it. And some people say, no, she is not obligated. But what do you say? Comment below. And big up Deja Resorts. And also follow me on social media at Dirty Bear Show. Peace out.
Follow me at Hardware, the kid. I'ma let the youth wanna do big. Got a bit taught in a big dream. Never see wrong, just see the big scream. Never good in school or neither cool. I was just a kid that everybody knew. Every man is the hero of their own story. So I gotta believe in myself, I gotta find my glory. Cause I'm a slave to my mind, I'm a person to my past. I gotta get what's mine, I'm not gonna ask. Put on the mask and blast. What is life without a layer of pressure? What is life without a layer of pain? What is life? I said, what is life? I said, what is life? And what is life without me and you? What is life if it did get choose? What is life? I said, what is life? I said, what is life? And So don't get confused, I'ma tell the truth, cause I was born to hold on and stay strong, so to speak. You better know of me, a young nigga just wanna be the greatest. So fight the pain, I got strength to gain, no time to waste. I remember these days like it's just yesterday. The best to say, the better way is not the way. That's why I'm begging for the ride of mine. I'ma take my time and deliver this greatest rhyme, cause success is the best of time. I hate that.